So hi, welcome to the second lesson. So this is lesson 2, Madhubani for beginners, where we'll be learning how to create flowers and leaves. For that, I have taken this A4 sheet and I have divided the sheet. So let me tell you how I have divided. So I have divided it into 3 parts. This is 6 centimeter width, and then I have divided it into 8 centimeter because we'll be making bigger flowers in the center, and here I have again divided it into 6 centimeter. So the division of these two is absolutely similar, and the center we'll be making bigger flowers. So you can divide your drawing sheet or your A4 sheet in the same manner. Now after you've divided it, I have made this 9 centimeter by 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 9. You can make even 3 equal boxes, and these are 4 boxes which are all 8 boxes are equal. This is 5 centimeter by 6 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter by 6 centimeter. So in this way we have divided. This is going to help us make our motifs, and we can later use these motifs also as individual pictures. So let us start. Now first I am taking my black pen. You can take any black gel pen, and we are going to make 3 flowers here. So now we will be drawing 2 lotus here. Both are a little different. Let me show you. So we will first draw the drop shape. We had learnt it in the basics. So draw 2 lines. In Madhubani style, double lining is very important. Now for the second one, draw like this and join here. In the same way, draw like this and join here. We are going to draw a double line. In this way. Now draw another. Draw a double line. So once you practice your lotus motif a little, it will become clearer too. Okay. Now we are going to draw a leaf here. Now I am going to shade it. Like this. I am drawing a stem here. And I am going to draw 2 spirals. And we are going to draw a double line. And we are going to draw a double. Now we are going to make the leaf. For the leaf, draw 2 ovals. The same way, draw 2 ovals. Just connect. So this is one type of lotus. Now let us learn another type of lotus which is very popular in Madhubani style. In this type of a lotus, again we are going to draw a drop shape, draw a double line, here draw another, now in this we have drawn 7 petals. Here we are going to draw 5 petals, and instead of this part we are doing a straight part. Connect it using double lines like this, and this we can have a spiral here like this. So this is another way. In this, what we are going to do is we are going to use primarily different kinds of patterns to finish the lotus. Now let us learn another kind of a lotus which is very common. So first, draw a circle, double circle, draw a line like this. Now we are going to draw a shape like this. Now draw curves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now first do a double line. So be careful when you're doing your double line like this. Now in the lower part, divide the lower part using double lines and connect these Now in this alternate ones, we are going to have some kind of designing. And we are going to have the pollens here like this. Here I am doing normal slanting lines that we have learnt. And the leaf, for the leaf, draw a line like this, double line. And the leaf is going to be same as the flower. See the curve, the same as the curve. And draw a double line. Like this. Now let us learn few more flowers. Now first we'll draw two more elaborate ones in the center and then we'll come to smaller flowers. Let us start from here. Now the first flower is a 4-petaled flower. We will learn. So draw a circle, draw another circle, then draw 4 petals like this, and draw another petal, so double line. We will draw a line like this, and now comes the leaf. So see, I have drawn a simple leaf shape, double line it, divide it into half. Very simple, simple leaf shape, double line it, divide it into half. Now let us draw another flower having 4 petals. So for this, draw a circle like we did there. Now draw this kind of a shape. You remember we learned this. Draw another this kind of a shape and draw another this kind of a shape. Now do double lining. This becomes the stem, and now we are going to do another kind of a leaf here. Draw the leaf shape. double lining, divide it, and in this half part we'll do lining and the half part we'll do coloring. Now let us learn another kind of flower. Now in this flower what we are going to do is draw a circle, double circle, then draw this kind of a shape. Okay, this kind of a shape. Again 4 petals, draw another shape. Like this. In this, leave out gaps. Now let us learn another kind of a flower. In this, draw double lines. In this we are going to have 5 petals. So first let us draw the petals. They are a little spanned up. Like this. Like this. Now I am making perfect eye shape here. Draw another perfect eye shape here. Divide it. And complete lining in the leaves. Next, we come to the next flower. Now for this next flower, what we are going to do is, यहाँ पे draw a circle. Then first we are going to draw a 2 leaf shapes. See, like this. Then we are going to draw another leaf shape inside it and divide it. Now here I am going to give lining. Now divide it into smaller circles. हम इस तरह से आर्क्स बनाएंगे एंड ये जो बाहर वाली आर्क है वी विल मेक लाइक दिस. अब इसमें सबसे सेकंड वाली जो मिडिल वाली है, इन बिटवीन दैट वी आर डूइंग लाइनिंग. हियर वी आर गोइंग टू डू कलरिंग. सो आप इसको ब्लैक, मैं ब्लैक ही कर रही हूँ, लाइक दिस. And I'm going to create semicircle. These kind of like this. And let us just bring it down and add 2 leaves. इसके leaves बिल्कुल आई shape के बना सकते हैं आप. And give shading on one side. See, it's looking nice. This flower looks very pretty. Now let us come to another sort of a flower. Now this is a simple bulb flower. We had learnt U shape, curve bent inside, curve out. Now for that, draw a double line. In this, divide the base and straight line. Now let us learn another kind of a flower. This is again very nice. Instead of doing double after double line, do circles, small semicircles ऐसे आप बना लीजिए, like this. and divide it into 5 these kind of flowers, petals. And just attach it to the stem. And we are going to do another kind of a leaf here, like this. Double line. And now comes. Now for this, draw a circle here, small circle. Then draw a drop shape. Then another drop shape. And another. Basically we have drawn 3 drop shapes here. Now we are going to draw curves. इस तरह के curvy line आप बनाओगे, like this. Now after you've done that, we will draw 3 curves here. A curve here, a curve here. Then the lotus kinds of leaves here, like this. These are the leaves, and this is the stem. This is also very popular flower, and it looks very pretty when we do it. Now let us draw the next. The next is a different one. Draw a double circle. Then first draw small curvy patterns like this. These should be 5. And I'm going to just shape them. Like this. Now I'm going to draw a squarish leaf, a squarish petal. And we are going to draw a palm shaped leaf here. See, double line it. And the last flower, draw a double line. And we are going to have overlapping leaves or petals like this. We will have overlapping petals like this. And line it. There is going to be a double line from the outside. You can have rounded leaves here. So in this way we have drawn all our flowers. Let us color few of them using our brush pens quickly and see how beautiful they look. So you can use any colors of your choice. I'll be doing some of them colored, some of them in lining work and showing you. You can do different part of the leaves in different shades. Like here I am using 2 shades to do the leaf. Now in this particular flower, I am going to shade half of it. And I'm going to shape half the leaf and I'm going to color half the leaf. Now for this particular flower I am using my red color. See how pretty the flower has started looking. Now this I am doing my flower in light blue. Now in this particular flower we will be using red lining, and I'm going to use yellow. Like this, and on top of the green color that I have used, I am going to give my line. Now comes the lotus. So for the first lotus I am going to use flat color. And I am using a lighter green. And what I am going to do is I am going to take the same color in my pen . So here we are doing a combination of Kachni Barni style when we are doing the like this. Isn't it looking nice? You can either color this part of your lotus leaf or you can do it in Kachni style. So here I am coloring it. Now we come to the next. Now here I am doing it in another color. Now see. Now in this lotus I'll use my orange. Like this. See, is it looking pretty? Now you can decide to do color on one side. Now here I'll use my red. Now for this particular flower we are only going to use roundels, lining like this to do up our full flower in Kachni style. Now in this flower also we are going to use a combination. Now in this we are only going to color the outer part. And here we come to the last flower. Now let us do this in pink. This flower you can use in your bigger size paintings. This looks very pretty when we are making them. in big trees and etc. Now let me just give a dash of blue here. See how beautiful all your Madhubani style flowers are looking now. In this way you can also prepare your own sheet. This can also be used as a beautiful hanging for your room. So do make your own and do share with us. Thanks for watching. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button or the bell button so that you can be notified as soon as we are live or we put a new video. Thank you so much and bye bye.